solution will show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, open your browser and open this website coursera.gq. Once you are in this website, here click on this search box and type here roblox.com and click on open direct. And then you will jump into this Roblox page. Now click on login. Then you have to use your Roblox account to login credential to log into your account. Once you're logged in, then you'll be able to easily play the Roblox game from your school Chromebook. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.